Nyland. Good morning, everyone. It is a good day. I don't know what day it is. August, coming towards the end. Anyways, it's like cool in the mornings, but it warms up by like noon. It's like my favorite time. I love it. Also, I wanted to share with you guys, I'm renovating my camper. We have a 26-foot camper, and it's amazing. But when we got it, we got it for $1,700, but they've ripped out the bunk beds and it's really old looking, and yeah, so it's an older one, but not too old. I think it's like a 1991, so that's pretty good. A year older than me, Chris's age. So yeah, I wanted to show you, I'm doing camper renovation. So I've already done a bit. I'll show you a before picture now. Beep. Okay, and now we're back. And now I will show you what I've done. I've done 3 coats on the top, 2 coats on the top doors, and on the bottom I just did 2 coats because it's a darker color, so it blended way better. And I'm using paint and primer, like in one can paint. Okay, let's check it out. Ew. Wall's all done, as you just saw. Now I'm going to do this wall and the cupboards. So first I have to take all the cupboard doors off, take the hardware off. Unfortunately, yes, I know, I should definitely have tape, but it's in the house and I'm not going to get it because the kids are out here. Don't like leaving them alone. So I will just paint over around that and take the doors off. So let's get it. All by hand, baby. First screw down. Second screw. Third screw. Fourth screw. Ooh, oh, it's connected. Alright, gotta take that off. First door off. Second door, let's go. 2 doors off. This ugly wallpaper. Oh, I can't see because of the sun. Too white. It's gonna be too bright to show you, but oh well, here you can see. Exciting news, guys! got a package, and I know what it is. I'm excited. Hold on. Alright, open it up. We're taping the second time because I didn't videotape the first time. So yeah, this is my kitchen tile backsplash. Oh! I guess you'll see it when it's on. Also, when I was painting yesterday, Anna cut her bangs, didn't ya? And I fixed them. I actually kind of like them now. It keeps her hair out of her face because she never wants to wear it up, so it looks cute. So, just had a lunch break, had some spaghetti and garlic bread. Now I'm going to be working on the backsplash, putting the backsplash on for the kitchen. So let's get into it. Alright people, this is it. This is what I chose. The marble is just the peel and stick stuff. So for the first piece that goes here, I just took off this middle thing because that sticks out to cover the line, because that would make a lump. So anyways, you're supposed to just cut these off, so you're starting out with a square. So hopefully I can cut straight. Hopefully. My first one went on pretty good. It's so challenging to get it in the right spot, but it looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna really like it. Show you when it's done. Okay, we're getting there. It's looking pretty good. It's kind of challenging, not gonna lie, but we're making her through it. That part's gonna be really hard. Alright guys, this is what I got done today. Looks so nice. And then of course the walls and the cupboards. So that's first coat, so I'll need another coat tomorrow. This green on over where the fridge is, that part. I still gotta paint those two cupboards, and that needs another coat. This is where I'm gonna call it quits for tonight and for this video. Thank you so much for coming along with me today on my journey. I'm just gonna enjoy my tomato cucumber avocado sandwich with some vegan mayo. I'm gonna eat this, and then I gotta bath myself and both kids, so it's like 6:30, I think, almost 7 o'clock, so I'm gonna call it a quits for today. Thank you so much for coming along again, and I love you guys, and we'll see you in the next episode when I'll be finishing the backsplash and finishing the green and putting another coat on behind me and getting that wall finished. So thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.